Mandy Petty, and I am the choreographer and director of The Music Man for HKUST Community Musical. The musical is on campus this year for the first time in the Shaw Auditorium. I've been working with HKUST on their musical for several years. This is the first time that we're working with children in this musical. We're using students, alumni, staff, and then children of staff or who live on campus or come from the order-based school. It's great that we have such a diverse group of people.
I'm Pavel. I'm a computer science exchange student over from the University of Warwick back in the UK. I'm starring as the lead role, Professor Harold Hill. Performing is one of my major hobbies. I did musicals before in my life. It's been a very great experience. I've had the opportunity to not only have a lot of fun, improve my skills in terms of performance, acting and singing, but this was a great opportunity to meet a lot more people and kind of get more accustomed with the culture within UST and Hong Kong.
科大對上一次嘅音樂劇 Wonderful Town 咁我都有參與嘅，我都有上 HKUST 2105嗰個 musical theatre 嘅課程，當時就有機會俾我去編寫啊，去導演一個 musical。咁雖然我依家畢咗業啦，咁科大都依然係一個俾我培養我興趣嘅地方，因為參加呢個 musical 咁都可以經常翻嚟科大咁樣，俾到機會我去練下自己啲演技。
Performing on stage requires concentration, focus, confidence, and these are life skills that can be used in any walk of life. Particularly the young ones, they have to be quite independent. They have to know when they enter, when they exit the stage. So it's teaching them responsibility. These are all life skills that hopefully they can use in their daily life in future.
This is the first time I joined the musical theatre in the UST. So I was quite amazed. We have so many talented people in the cast. And there are also children. It's quite fun to have the chance to interact with different members in the community. I teach design thinking. And I always encourage my students to think outside the box. So I play as a role model to step out of my comfort zone. This really enrich my teaching experience because I learned from the SAU how to organize the events of this scale, how to use your vocal in the correct way so that your audience can hear you clearly.
We are thrilled that The Music Man has brought joy and happiness to not only our performers and audiences, but also to the entire community and our surroundings. As a university dedicated to holistic education, HKUST goes beyond just science and technology. We also seek to nurture our students in exploring and engaging in arts and culture activities, fostering a sense of creativity and togetherness. In the future, we plan to continue to harness this humanity spirit by offering more arts and cultural opportunities and activities that bring our community together in both the Shaw Auditorium and on the university campus. Stay tuned.